Hello, I'm Walker Schoening, and this is episode 13 of Trojan TV. Leading off our show is a look at the recent Sports Picture Day. Kinsey Foster was there and got some fresh insights from our spring athletes. Let's take a look.
My favorite pregame snack and drink is pretzels and pink lemonade Powerade.
White cheddar Cheez-Its.
Cheez-Its and a little bit of Gatorade.
My favorite is gummy bears.
I like to go with fruit snacks.
Raspberry Alani.
A Red Bull?
White Monster.
Peanut butter M&Ms and yellow Gatorade.
Wait, what is it?
Gatorade.
Celsius.
Celsius. Body Armor.
Before a track meet, Funyuns are my go-to snack, and there's really nothing else that's better than that.
Just that crisp taste in your mouth, just all those calories and it just drives me through my races, just you can't beat them. You really can't.
A nice PBJ sandwich.
So far, this season hasn't started off as the way we expected with our game tonight being canceled, but we do have big plans for the season. After going 14-4-1 and returning basically all of our starters and our bench, we're pretty excited and hopefully can advance and make our way to state.
Time with the team on the buses, because that's always the best time.
Continue the relationships with my underclassmen swimmers.
Winning games and playing with my friends.
My pregame hype songs would be Anything by Travis Scott. It's all good, so it's game time.
My favorite pregame song is Runaway by Kanye West.
My favorite pregame song is American Pie by Don McLean.
Next, we've got a look at the spring play. This year, the Andover Theater Department is hosting a production of 13 Past Midnight. Anybody interested in attending who has not purchased tickets must purchase them at the door. Riley Schuster takes us on a behind-the-scenes tour of the set.
The scenery for 13 Past Midnight is almost a character unto itself in the show. The set type is called an interior box set, a realistic interior box set. And that means that everything on the set functions the way that it does in real life. The lights light up. The doors open and close. Everything is finished the way a real home would be finished. So that makes it a tremendous amount of work. On top of that, it is supposed to be in a mansion. So it's supposed to be visually sumptuous and really well done. So a tremendous amount of work by a lot of people went into this set. And I really think that it adds to the storytelling in the show. And we hope you're going to enjoy it.
Finally, we'll take a look at a finishing touch that our building has just received. A large version of our beloved Trojan Spearman logo was recently installed in the Commons, visible from Andover Road. The company who installed the decal, Spectrum's Installations, is a 3M certified company who has done a lot of other work in the building. That's all from me. I'm Walker Schoening, and good night.
Mr. Flint and Mrs. Steele see a burning building and they say, "That's our son."
What kind of flower grows on your face? Tulips.
My nose is running and you think it's funny, but it's snot.
Hey, did you guys hear they closed the restaurant on the moon? No? Yeah, they said there was no atmosphere.
If a minotaur and a horse have a baby, is it a quarter horse?
All right, favorite joke. First of all, why do ducks have webbed feet? To stomp out forest fires. Why do elephants have flat feet? To stomp out flaming ducks.
What did the scarf say to the hat? I'll go around and you go on ahead.
Where did George Washington keep his armies? In his sleeveys.
Why did Cinderella get kicked off the soccer team? Because she ran away from the ball.
What did 0 say to 8? Nice belt.
You know what they're saying about 2020? It went viral faster than anybody thought it would.
Why'd the coffee file a police report? Because it got mugged.
Why couldn't the lifeguard save the drowning hippie? 'Cause he's too far out, man.